Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically edit your Bitmoji on Snapchat. So to do that, you're just going to select your Bitmoji right here, and you're going to select this like wardrobe sign, I guess. Then here you'll be able to change their outfit. I think there's some new arrivals. Okay, some of them you do have to pay now. That wasn't like this before, but no, it's fine. Just use this one for instance. So if you scroll down, there's going to be more. You also have dresses as well here. And you can change the color here on the right side. Okay, do not like that color. I'll just use this one because I don't know what to put on. You can also change your shoes here as well. And there's jackets, some socks, some hats. You can also add in an eyeshadow now. Change your lipstick, add in some blush. I'm just going to change my lipstick real quick. Glasses. And to kind of edit your Bitmoji, go here to change like hairstyles and like your eyes and stuff like that. I think they have new hairstyles here. As you can see, hair treatment, you can add in some hair color as well. And once you're done, you're just going to press save up here. I think I'm gonna change my eyeshadow real quick. I don't like that color. Maybe like a nude tone or brown. Okay, once you're done, just press save. I also do not like that lipstick. Hold on. Here we go. Press save and it will save your Bitmoji. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!